Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to find out. Greet each day with your eyes open to beauty, your mind open to change, and your heart open to love. Paula Finn. Action. Jot down what beauty you see, what you love, and what you are grateful for in this moment. Which envelope has our quotes today? Hold my hand and I'll go anywhere with you. I will never finish falling in love with you. That's sweet. 8+ billion people in the world, and you're the only one I want. Sweet little love quotes. If you love someone, the greatest gift you can give them is your presence. Do you agree? The last one today. I'm okay with your history. It made you who you are, and I'm in love with who you are today. All right, thanks for stopping by.